think you are whatever let you land. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you learn things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon? Or ask the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come run the hidden pine trails of a forest. Come take the sands with the berries of the earth. Come rolling all the riches all around you. And for once, never wonder what they were. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The hero and the altar are my friends. And we are all connected to each other in a cycle, in a hope that never ends. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon? Or let the eagle tell you where he's been? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? On high that the sycamore grow. If you get it all, then you never know. And you never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon. For whether we are white or covered skin, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountain. Need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still, or you own his earth until